Hi, today we're going to be looking at simultaneous equations. We're going to look at the example where we're going to solve for x and y, and the two equations we have is x minus 2y is equal to 5. We're going to call that equation 1, and 3x plus y is equal to 1, equation 2. Our mission, to solve for x and y. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to work with equation 1. As you can see, I've put it on my left, x minus 2y is equal to 5. We're going to solve for the variable that is much easier to solve for, and that is, in this case, x. So we're going to move minus 2y to the right hand side, and we all know if we move minus 2y on that side, it becomes a plus 2y. So now we have an equation that reads x is equal to 2y plus 5. We're going to call that equation 3. Next, we're going to now take equation 2, which I've brought to my left hand side, and we're going to work with equation 2, which states 3x plus y equal to 1. Note, I've solved for x, so I can substitute the value of x in equation 2. So we're going to substitute x, which we solved for in equation 3, into this equation 2. And all I'm going to do is replace the 2x plus y. Where you see x, I'm now substituting 2x plus y. We're now going to apply distributive law. 3 times 2y is 6y, as you can see, and 3 times 5 is 15, plus y equal to 1. We're going to keep our y's on the left hand side and move our constants to the right hand side. 6y plus y is equal to 7y. Moving my 15 on the other side, the sign changes to minus 15. And that gives me 7y is equal to minus 14. I'm going to solve for y by dividing both sides by 7. And that will give me minus 14 divided by 7, giving me minus 2. Next, now that we solve for y equal to minus 2, we're going to go back to equation 3. And you see I've placed that on my right hand side, which states that x is equal to 2y plus 5. I'm now going to substitute y because I found y to be minus 2. So as you can see, I've replaced my y value with the value of y, which is minus 2, which gives me 2 into minus 2 plus 5. And 2 times minus 2 is minus 4 plus 5, giving us positive 1. And note, we have solved for x and y in this equation. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to minus 2. We can quickly check our answer if we substitute, go back to equation 1, the first equation. If I replace x with 1 and y with minus 2, then that gives me 1 minus 2 times minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 2 gives us a positive 4. And the 1 plus positive 4 is equal to 5. So we can see x and y satisfies the equation, and that we can now be confident that our answers are correct. Thank you.